This podcast is sponsored by sciencebased.learning.com. Discover a passion-driven language learning system that combines ebooks, audiobooks, and videos with the science of spaced repetition. Maximize your learning and retention today at sciencebased.learning.com.
Mastering Spanish Capitalization, Nationality Adjectives, explained. Explore why Spanish nationality adjectives aren't capitalized, with examples and nuances for English speakers learning Spanish. Understanding the capitalization of nationality adjectives in Spanish. One of the nuances in learning Spanish involves understanding when and how to capitalize certain words. English speakers, in particular, might find it confusing given the difference in capitalization rules between English and Spanish. A noteworthy case is the treatment of adjectives of nationality. While in English, these adjectives are capitalized, in Spanish, they are not. For instance, when referring to someone or something from a specific country, the adjective related to their nationality remains lowercase. Here are some examples. English, she is American versus Spanish, ella es americana. English, the French wine is exceptional. Versus Spanish, el vino francés es excepcional. English, they have a Chinese restaurant. Versus Spanish, tienen un restaurante chino. This rule is consistent and straightforward, suggesting that whenever you use adjectives of nationality in Spanish, you should remember to keep them in lowercase. However, understanding the context is vital. In certain circumstances, capitalization might occur, such as when these adjectives form part of a title or proper noun. Beyond this primary rule, these adjectives also change in form depending on gender and number, which is another aspect that English speakers must grasp. For example, masculine singular, italiano, Italian. Feminine singular, italiana, Italian. Masculine plural, italianos, Italians. Feminine plural, italianas, Italians. Such forms are affected by the same capitalization rules. Whether you are speaking about an Italiano or a group of Italianas, the words remain lowercase. Some might wonder about certain exceptions or different cases. As previously mentioned, the adjectives of nationality are capitalized if part of a formal title, or when used as a noun. This would be primarily relevant in a formal context such as historical titles or names. For example, La Historia del Imperio Romano, the history of the Roman Empire. In addition to these rules, remember that this capitalization rule applies to other related words such as languages. Just like nationality adjectives, language names remain lowercase in Spanish. Hence, while you would write English as a subject name in English, in Spanish it is inglés, lowercased unless it starts a sentence. Gaining proficiency in Spanish involves mastering such seemingly small details that actually make a significant difference in communication. By keeping these tips in mind, you will steadily grow more comfortable with Spanish grammar. To continue your journey in learning Spanish fluently, consider accessing more comprehensive guides and resources. Learn more at sciencebased.learning.com. You may also check out our detailed course packages to further enhance your understanding. Get your copy today.